Hi everybody, as promised in my last video, I will show you how to create a strategy from the two indicators that we created. If you haven't seen the video, click on the WorldSlab logo here. The rule is fairly simple. If the RSI2 of Nasdaq 100 stocks cross over the RSI2 of QQQ, in other words, if the stock is moving up stronger than the index, we buy the stock. First, let's open up the building blocks window. Here we see some predefined order entry blocks. Since we like to buy the stock if the RSI crosses over the RSI from the index, we choose the indicator crosses indicator entry condition. There are hundreds of indicators that you can pick from. We choose the RSI and change the parameter to 2. The first indicator was for the stock. The second is for the index itself. In order to use the external symbol indicator, we use the symbol int feature to apply the second part of the rule. Again, we change the parameter to 2. In our exit rule, we use a simple but quite effective method. The stock has to go up 2 days in a row. Now wait, why did he drag over indicator compared to value? Didn't he say the close has to go up 2 days in a row? And yes, open, high, low and close are all indicators. Even volume is a possible indicator. Always remember that. Now let's find our 2 days up in a row, which is called consecutive up or consec up. Has to be equal to 2, which we changed now. And let's go over to the strategy settings. First of all, we pick the market that we want to test on, which is the Nasdaq 100 portfolio. We now define the position sizing, pick 2% here. Now all we have to do is click Run Backtest, and WorldSlab does its magic. Quite impressive result for a strategy that was produced on the fly. Here's a quick look at the equity curve. Of course, you can optimize the parameter or apply it to different portfolios or individual stocks, cryptos, forex or futures. Thanks for watching and listening, and we look forward to see you in our other videos. Thank you.